When you remove the inspection cover, you're going to look inside and you're looking for the adjustment tab or strap. It isn't always going to be at 6 o'clock or at the bottom of its travel so that you can access it. In that case, you are going to have to bar the engine over or bump it over on the starter or get it to move around so that you can reach the adjuster. Most engine manufacturers have an inspection hole in the bottom of the bell housing that is directly below the ring gear on the flywheel. And if you remove the plug with some type of pry bar, be it a screwdriver or a bar, you can turn the engine over until the adjuster becomes accessible. In order to change the clutch adjustment, we have to remove the lock strap. So we have to undo the holding bolt and take the strap out. Once we remove the strap, with this style of clutch adjuster, we are going to have to install a clutch adjusting tool. This clutch adjusting tool is used for leverage in order to move this ring either clockwise or counterclockwise. Turning it in a clockwise direction will increase your free pedal, which is the most common adjustment, because as the clutch wears and the discs wear, the release bearing moves toward the flywheel, which would move it towards the clutch fork, and you're going to lose your free play between the clutch fork and the release bearing. Once your tool is installed, the clutch must be fully depressed in order to turn the adjusting ring. That relieves the spring pressure from the pressure plate and allows this disc to turn. In order to turn the adjusting lock ring, the clutch has to be fully depressed, so it must be all the way to the floor in order to relieve the spring pressure in the clutch to turn the adjusting ring. If you have an assistant or the truck driver himself or another fellow mechanic can hold the clutch down for you while you make this adjustment. If you are working at this alone, then you will have to put in some type of adjusting tool to make your job easier, to hold the pedal down while you go underneath and make your adjustment.